I got one that wants to go. I got one that's just walking, and the other one just dragging. I might as well just stand in the middle. Hey, I'm Fish. My last vlog was with the Pocket 3 in this weather. Oh, now I got the Action 5 Pro back out, and it's too much like a cartoon show. That's what I hear with everyone saying about the Action 5 Pro. They don't love it. They want that color profile lock fixed. They don't want to do the color grading. If they have to, D-Log in works for them with the color LUTs and some touch-up. I gotta color grade now. You forced me to put it on D-Log in on a gray foul day and do my best to get color. He's green, white, and red with yellow. And that's white and gray and brown. When I choose D-Log M and a colorless like 709, which is DJI's, I think, what does it do? Do I take a paintbrush and start to color everything in? Or it just does the whole thing for you? That's the part I get. Well, you know the colors of light bulbs for Christmas time that came and went. Start to color them in. Color the bricks, because that's all I could do with color grading. Have a great day.